Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to shoot 8K open gate video on GoPro Mission 1 Pro. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to switch to 4:3 aspect ratio. We're going to go over and make sure that you're in video mode. Click on the pencil icon on your video, and here we have the aspect ratio. We're going to switch it to 4:3 and the resolution 8K. Now once we do that, what are we going to do is we want to make sure that we set our frame rate to 30, because OpenGate maxes out at 30 FPS. You can select for example 24 for a more cinematic feel. And now after you save the preset, you can easily just go over, and once it's all done, you can see that whenever I change the frame rate, it automatically saves. Now whenever you're recording, you're utilizing the entire height and the width of your 1-inch sensor. So that's basically the open gate, and the full sensor basically maxes out at 7680 by 5760 pixels. So you got your 8K open gate set up right now, and that's how it works. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.